Brilliant.
One.
It was a wonderful opening red. Okay, the black's out of commission at the moment, but I think the pink is available into the left corner. He's got the blue there on the spot, so it's not a bad chance, this.
5.
Just finished a little straight on the blue this time, so he can't get close to his next red. See, the pink is available, but may just decide to take the blue and leave a slightly more difficult pot.
So. 11.
It's amazing how still he is on the shot nowadays, Steve. Do you remember a good few years ago he was moving, you know, still played well, but his head was moving all over the place. He seems to have been able to have solved that.
Well, there's a lot of sideways movement of his head in the preparation before the shot, and then he was pretty still on the shot when he actually hit the ball, but it's obviously something he's been working at doing, but he was playing great regardless. Is he thinking about the 2-cushion power shot into the pack? He's changed his mind, going for the bottom red. Oh no, softer screw. Didn't really want to be pushing that pink safe though.
16. Seventy.
Did very well to get topside on the blue. A bit more, he may have been tempted to go into the pack directly. Indirectly, it's a beautiful split.
22.
He could have got something easier than this. He's a bit unlucky that cue ball's threaded its way through that gap.
He's going to have to find another gap. And he has played beautifully. What a shot that is, by the way. Found the gap to get back to the blue, and he's got the perfect angle now. He's looking at the green, but you know, the blue, and just nudge the pink. He's bound to be on a red, and he can free the pink. Always going to be on a red. It hasn't really opened the pink up, but that was always the shot. He's still in the driving seat here.
Currently, he's going to have to do it with blues. If he was to convert this chance, this is a monstrous performance by Mark Selby. He turned the tables around beautifully to win the opening session 3-1 when it looked for all the world like Shaun Murphy could be 3-1. He's had to withstand the barrage of the last couple of frames, but 2 frames before that, but he's regained his composure beautifully.
And look what he's done this time. If he's on the red, he's freed the pink. The chances there to get himself into tomorrow's final. That was a lovely little shot there. The cannon on the pink worked out perfectly that time.
$35.
Could there possibly be another twist? You wouldn't think so. It's been a wonderful match. Shaun coming back from 4-1 down, winning 2 frames
40.
to just be 1 behind. But that one red, the long red that he took on and missed, has turned
42.
the match right around in Mark Selby's favour. Bit of a distraction, that red, having to bridge over it. Not a problem though. He's striking the ball so well at the moment.
48. $49.
Quick look
54.
up at the scoreboard. He's 54 in front. Not that many pots away from getting himself into the final.
$55.
And that's beautifully played. He can just drop this. He's hampered. Just drop this red in.
61.
He's on the black. He's 61 in front. In fact, the red leaves Shaun needing a snooker. The black to make absolutely certain. And this
66.
is typical of Mark Selby. What a match these players have put on this evening for this magnificent crowd and everybody watching at home.
69.
I'm not sure what you're doing tomorrow, but I would cancel it because Mark Selby against Judd Trump in the final of the UK Championship doesn't get much better than that. Is this in as well? He's potting everything. As we used to say, he's potting them off the lampshades, but we don't have any lampshades here in Barbican.
77.
But well done, Shaun Murphy. You put up a wonderful display this evening when you come back to just 1 frame behind. But what a match this man has played. Could he possibly finish it with a century break? He just might. Tricky
84.
little cut back. He must be feeling so good
85.
here, Mark Selby. And he's doing here what great champions do. What a
92.
way to finish this semi-final.
93.
He'll get a fantastic reception when this black goes in. A wonderful century break. Whistles all
102.
around the Barbican centre, and quite rightly so. What an enjoyable semi-final.
105. $109.
He's really enjoying things out there, and so he should with this performance.
$114.
Can't wait for tomorrow. It's going to be some final. Judd Trump, world #1, against Mark Selby, who is flying. Another exhibition shot. Watch the side spin. And
120.
will he try a little trick shot on the black, or just roll it in? He's just rolling it in. What a performance from Mark Selby. Both these players have put on a wonderful display here at the Barbican in this semi-final, and they're getting a standing ovation as Shaun acknowledges the crowd, but you can't take it away from Mark Selby. What a performance he has put here, and he gets through to the final. Standing ovation.